Good morning, Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk. It is April 27th, 2022, 8:55, almost 8:56 a.m. Pacific time. We are trading what I call the doldrums today when the market sort of slows down a little bit, has a little bit less momentum, but still a lot of momentum. As you can see right here on the NQ chart, we have the NQ on the left side, we have the ES on the right side, and the ES is the mini future of the S&P index. The NQ is the mini future of the NASDAQ index. And those are the futures that we're trading this morning. And our trade will pop off at about 9 a.m. Pacific time. So we've got just a few minutes left until that happens. You can see price is just bouncing around. We've had quite a morning so far on the market. And so we are prepared to trade. Everything is set. As you can see, enable trading. I'm set to trade automatically. We're printing some pretty fast range bars over here on the NQ. Take a look, maybe every 2 seconds or so, looks like right now. 3 seconds we're printing a new bar. Okay, that's kind of like trading a 3 or 2 second bar over here on a range bar this morning. Kind of exciting. Over here on the ES, we are also trading a range bars. All the bars are the same size. So just a little moment discussing what we're doing here. And we will be trading in another few minutes, and I'll check back in on this right before the trade starts. Okay, we're checking back on this trade. We're down to now about 19, 18, 17 seconds before the trading will start. Here we see we're down to now 10 seconds over here on the second clock. So 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're enabled and instantly in a trade over here on the ES, and now we're in a trade on the NQ. So we're long on both, as you can see. There has been some energy to the upside in this market today, however, been selling off most recently. So we will see what happens, okay? And that's what this is, all automatic trading. And all automatic entries, all automatic time management, bracket orders, all automatic P&L management, automatic everything. It's really, look, no hands, all automatic. Right now, we have 2 positions. It's printing against us right now on the positions that we're in. So we will see how it goes, okay? Actually, while I said that, take a look. Now it's not printing against us, it's printing for us. I'll kind of cover the P&L over here. So we're trading 1 contract on the ES only today. And on the NQ, we have 6 contracts. So that's what we're trading. And let's see how this goes. Okay, we just hit target here in a brief time. On this trade, we've stopped out once, hit target once, so we have a slightly negative P&L. So we're also long again, as you can see our position there. So I'll just forward to that. It's once again kind of moving pretty fast. We're already printing positive on this new position. So overall, we're actually up with our open P&L and our closed P&L, which is negative. So we're moving along on that. Over here on the ES, looking good too. So we're just kind of doing what we do. Automatic trading, there is nothing to do. So I'm just sort of talking about it all. Here, if we come over here and I bring up the daily chart on the NQ back and move it out of the way a little bit here, we can see our P&L, make a few adjustments, and you can see how the trading's going and the P&L at the same time. Just slightly positive at this point. We've printed both positive and negative in this trade, and so we'll see how it goes. Same thing over here on the ES. We've been negative, positive, didn't stop out on this one, still in the original trade, and that's due to the way it ticks, okay, and the way I have it set. So a couple of very different strategies on today, but looks similar. And so far the performance on the ES, no stop out and no target. Over here on the NQ, we've taken a stop and target, currently printing positive at this second. Catching another target here, it looks like, here pretty quick on the NQ, possibly. Look how close this wick came to our target. I mean, must have bumped up practically within a couple ticks. There we go. So hit target, boom. And trading right along. Okay, checking back in. I had a few things to do, so coming back to take a look at things. First of all, we notice it's 9:43 a.m. We started this trade 9:43 and change Pacific time. We started this trade about 43 and a half minutes ago. Okay. Finished over here on the ES. You can see the last trade over here. Only traded one contract today. I was just kind of testing the waters a little bit on something that I've been working on. So everything worked out good here on the ES. One contract, $1,037. Amazing automatic trading. What about over here on the NQ? $10,155. Yeah, of course, $10,155. Also trading 6 contracts. Okay, so amazing results for both. Okay, as you know, futures are scalable. So, and you can see there's plenty of liquidity. Again, we're on a range bar, and take a look, 200 contracts on that one bar. So everything's scalable here on futures. Over here on the ES, very scalable, okay? We're printing range bars over here, and you can see there's been 700 contracts traded in this current bar. We're in over 1,000 now. So you see that the liquidity is here, okay? Futures are an amazing instrument to trade. That's why I trade them. The liquidity is great. The leverage is great. And automatic trading. The results speak for themselves.